scalar product of orthonormal vectors I cap, j cap, k cap, or we can write it orthonormal vector triad. Now what it is, let's see. Let I cap, j cap, k cap be the unit vectors in the positive direction of mutually perpendicular axis, x axis, y axis and respectively. These vectors are said to be, these vectors are said to form, these vectors are said to form an orthonormal triad of vector. Okay. Now basically what it is. Now number one, I cap dot I cap magnitude of unit vector, we are knowing that it is 1 with cos 0 degree. This is equal to 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Okay. So we can write it similarly. Dot k is equal to 1. Number 2, I cap dot j cap. Now this is equal to magnitude of I cap, unit vector, that is 1, magnitude of j cap, that is also 1 with cos pi by 2. Now here when I and j, these will be called as perpendiculars, okay, because axes are mutually perpendicular. Now this is equal to 0, or we can write it 1 times 0 is equal to 0. Similarly I with I dot k cap is equal to j dot I cap is equal to j dot k cap is equal to k dot I cap is equal to k dot j cap is equal to 0. Okay. So now here I have made a box. Let's name it as a magic box. Is it okay? So now unit vector of I, that is I cap dot I cap, that is 1, I cap dot j cap 0, I cap dot k cap 0, j cap dot I cap 0, j cap dot j cap 1, again 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is the magic box to learn in a very easy way. Okay, so this was all about the orthonormal vector.